This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Remove the air intake duct at the front of the air cleaner housing, right-hand side, or unclip the wiring harness connector from the front of the fuse relay box, left-hand side. Remove the rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminal. Disengage the legs of the retaining spring clip from the catches on the reflector by pushing them forwards, then out to the side. Pull the bulb from place. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the new bulb into the reflector, aligning the flat on the bulb flange with the flat in the reflector socket. Fold up the retaining clip and engage the legs with the catches on the reflector. Press the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal. Refit the rubber cover to the rear of the headlight. Reconnect the air intake duct to the air cleaner housing and front panel. With the wheel on full lock, release the two clips and remove the access flap from the wheel arch liner. Pull the rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Rotate the bulb anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the reflector. Hold the bulb by the base and pull the wiring plug from the terminals. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the new bulb terminals into the wiring plug. Insert the new bulb into the reflector with the locating lug on the base uppermost, then rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the rubber cover to the rear of the headlight. Insert the lugs on the side of the access cover into the slots in the wheel arch liner, then push it forwards to engage the retaining clips. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.